I would request you to introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Srijita Chaudhary. I'm a student of Indra ma'am, learning spoken English. I got little bit promoted to myself in better way.
Oh, that's great, ma'am. Ma'am, tell me before joining in the class. So, what you can talk about the 3 problems that you are facing in your this spoken English journey, ma'am.
Actually, I was very inconfident. Main thing, my confidence was zero. Another thing, I was not able to say how to structure the what did I wanted to say, how to structure all these things, how to structure the speech. Another thing, the third one is the problem. I was very much fumbling, very confused what to say, and with that confusion, I forget everything whatever I want to say. So these are the 3 problems I was facing before.
All right, ma'am. After joining the session, because today it is 10th session, right? 9th or 10th session that you are attending. Do you think that any improvement has taken place, or the 3 problems that you have spoken just now, any 2 problem got resolved after attending the session? Can you please share with us, ma'am?
Yes, of course. But with confidence level, I have got at least 70% confidence level, which I had 0 before. And the second one, how to feature of the content. That is very important. Now I am very much confident to make the speech very confidently, and I know how to make the structure, and little bit of that fumbling also. Nowadays I'm watching that fumbling is also removing day by day. This is slow, but rest of that other 2s are, I'm very much happy and I'm very much satisfied about that things. That two points.
Great, ma'am. I'm sure because it was just a starting journey. Therefore, I'm sure that you practice more and you take up the more and more session. You will progress a lot. Wish you all the best, ma'am, because you are already, I can see that confidence it's already there within you. It's mind blowing, and your message is going to be it will help our new students to get to acquire a lot of confidence at the same time. If you can do it, I'm sure that other people also will be able to do that, right? Ma'am, I would request you, tell me one thing that you want me to correct. Means all are human beings, isn't it? We all are not perfect, right? So I'm sure I'm also having certain things that I can work on it, I can progress.
I should not, being your our mentor, our teacher, I should not show the problem of you. But as you are requesting, I'm telling one thing. That is the one thing I can, and I feel this thing, that whatever correction you are doing, we are not repeating that speech. I have just, for example, if I give any speech, you are correcting that things, and next time I am not repeating. And if we repeat, if we inculcate that correction, then it will be easy for us to make us little bit better position. So I think this correction should be, we should repeat our speech with that correction, so that those problems will go forever.
Great, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much. I will surely incorporate this in my next classes. And you are absolutely correct. I totally agree with you, because whenever you are giving the speech, I'm correcting you. After that whether it is happening or not, I really need to look into that. So I'll be surely doing that. But one suggestion I can give it to you, that in the class, whenever I'm making any corrections, I'm telling you that, yes, see, you could say like this would be more better, it sounds more better, and all this. You can, as far as the practice is concerned, that's why I have made our virtual podium, that is online spoken English Facebook community. So I would request you, whatever corrections that I'm doing it in the class, you can incorporate all the things, or you can pen down the notes, bullet points, all the corrections. And by incorporating that speech, you can go to the virtual podium and can give the same speech. And I will again I will again look into it, look into the speech, and then if any correction is needed, again we can. That's how at least 2 to 3 times can be done. I mean, revision can be done. Is that okay, ma'am? So that we can do it in the next session.
Yeah.
Okay. Great, great. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback.